Victory of us. Two boy bas ऊपर आओ. All of them deserve this. It's their victory. Come on, give it one. Give it one.
Fight.
Anna, I'm telling you, it's a fight. Come on.
Amit ko reke
But
dade,
our
reke
fight
dade.
is not ended.
No, it's not ended. It's begun. It's just begun. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Amit ko reke dade.
Glenn is the superstar. And the oldest one there. There. Where is the 80-year-old?
Yeah, you already.
Come. He is also 80 and she also.
She is not 80.
Who is the auntie who used to say 80, 85? She didn't come today. So, guys, this is Goa.
Yes.
We are protecting what they gave us and we are taking it further for our kids.
Still, our fight is not over. We will not rest till the last stone of that illegal structure is demolished.
I'm going to be with you.
Yes,
We all are going to be with you. Whole of Goa is going to be with you.
thank you. Welcome. Let's continue.
Come on, give me a high five.
Bye.
I hope you have the strength.
Yes.
Of course I have the strength. You don't worry. You can see these 5 days.
Slogan.
Sorchena re sorchena. Sorchena re sorchena.
Okay, give a chocolate to us.
I am a chocolate lover. Thank you. Yeah, okay.
Come on, I'm holding it. And he deserves 2. He deserves 2. The uncle.
Light नहीं है उसको, light नहीं है। और आगे चल।
गौतम किधर है?
माइक है
अरे गौतम
होता माइक है मतलब वाइड मिलेगा
गौतम किधर है?
वाइड मिलेगा मेरे
Say loudly. Thank you.
Okay, Chami. Say thank you to all. Thank you for saving your Goa.
Say loudly.